Guys, John over here at Lone Wolf Harley Davidson. I'm going to take a moment of your time and show you how to set up your security pin on your current model Softails. All right, guys, we're going to teach you how to enter in the pin number. First step, turn on your kill switch. Let everything catch up with you. At this point, we have to turn our kill switch on and off 3 times, hit our left blinker twice, and our right blinker once. So 3, 2, and 1. 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. That brings up the ability to pick my pin number. Now, I'm going to pick my pin number. It's going to be all ones, and that is done by using the left blinker. And the right blinker moves me over to the next column. Once I have the last number in, I want to hit my right blinker one last time to save everything. Now we're in a situation where my key fob is missing, my key fob battery is dead, or it's just not communicating to the bike. So we're going to go ahead and turn on the bike like we normally do by hitting the kill switch. We do not want to sit on the bike or lift it off its kickstand. That could initiate the silent alarm, which would make this process a lot longer. Now the bike is asking me to enter that pin number I just picked, which was all ones. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Guys, the bike is now in a position where I can start it up and take off without my key fob. Get home safe.